And this is Mercedes AMG S63 Coupé. So I want to show you here this car, and also I can show you ambient lighting properly during evening time, we can say. So really we are looking at this magnificent diamond white S-Class Coupé, which I don't know, this and AMG GT 4-door are my favorite cars. Just look at this. I will show you that in a second. So right now it's in comfort mode with the open exhaust. Listen to the exhaust. I just love V8 sound. It's just something else with the V8. So this is the flagship model in a coupe version. This and a GT 4-door are my favorite cars because they have a all-wheel drive. You can use them anywhere, anytime, in the snow, in the rain. You have always grip, and yeah, just amazing. So I want to show you the LED intelligent light system, which is a multi-beam predecessor. Beautiful, you have Swarovski crystals in the headlights. LED intelligent light system. So these lights are very smart, but multi-beams now are even better. So in the future we will see multi-beams, I'm sure. You can see the AMG specific grille in the front and this beautiful bumper with two functional openings. Also in the middle. So everything is functional, and these two power domes on the bonnet. So really amazing. I really like. Let me know in the comment section if this is your favorite Mercedes AMG, because yeah, I'm struggling, this or AMG GT 4-door. I like other as well, like G-Class, etc., but these two are my favorites. So here we have black mirrors, and window trim is chrome, is not black. We have beautiful black alloy wheels with steel brakes. You can have for optional extra, you can also have ceramic brakes. Stunning lights. And we have here the V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus. Old school Mercedes logo here. And panoramic roof. And this nice sloping like a design. Really this is just gorgeous. It's fantastic. So I want to open the engine bonnet, and I want to show you this masterpiece handcrafted engine from Falterbach. So here is it, the masterpiece. So this is the name of the person which handcrafted this engine. This is V8 engine, 4.0 liter bi-turbo, 612 horsepower, 900 Newton meters of torque. What is this? It's insane amount of the power. Heat shield, sound deadening, so really something exceptional here. And I want to show you the rear as well. So you can see the chrome line on the boot, Mercedes star in the middle, S63 AMG, squared exhaust pipes which are blacked out, and this beautiful OLED individual light, so every light is individual here. So how stunning this looks in 3D. It's like a feather of the eagle. Wow, really as you can hear, I really like this. So if you press the badge, it will open. Here are mats. You have a private lounge envelope, and here is a tire kit, etc. So if you press, this will close. LED lights for the number plate. This sound is just insane. You have here this aerodynamic diffuser and the AMG logos on the exhaust, tow hook here, and just listening to this exhaust is fantastic. And here you can see the tire pressure, and top speed is 300 kilometers per hour, 186, so amazing. So the rear tire size is 285, 35, 20 inch. These are Michelin Pilot Sport Street tires, and in the front 255, 40, 20 inch. Frameless doors because this is coupe, and diamond metallic flakes in the paint, diamond white. Okay, so it's time for the interior. We have a chrome handles, keyless system, and this wonderful interior. Here is a carpet because we don't want this to be dirty from sitting. It comes like this also from the factory at Zindelfingen. So really beige leather, illuminated logo. Let me know how do you like this night review. I think it's amazing. Ambient lighting. We can turn this off. Let's check out this with the ambient lighting. How beautiful is this? So these are the rear seats. This goes forward automatically. And here you can see the rear. I'm not gonna sit here because this is super clean and I don't have super clean shoes. But I can fit there. I sat in other S-Class in the rear and it's fine. So yeah, just stunning this blue light. So let's sit inside. I will show you now the interior. We have a soft close. Check this out. The car wants to hand you the seat belt, so this is seat belt extender. Alright guys, so check this interior from inside. How amazing is this? So we have a new steering wheel with the facelift, and maybe I can turn this light on so we can see it better. So just a magnificent, I think this is porcelain or silk. I didn't check the spec, not sure if it's here, but yeah, it's one of these. Really, this leather is super soft. Just check these seats, diamond cut on the leather, and the AMG logo here. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know how do you like this car. Ambient lighting here, also here. So how amazing. This is the best or nothing S-Class Coupe. So guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a like. Comment down below what do you think about this car and what's your dream spec of this vehicle. And guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.